welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't even know if I did this experiment again, but we got a special guest. It's my grandma here again. And I don't know if I already did this experiment, but anyways, it is a volcano row. And okay, so what you're gonna be needing is a cup, baking soda, and some vinegar. And make sure you have a clean space that you don't really use, like outside maybe, or in, I don't know, in your backyard. So we're gonna try this. You can sit in the sun if you want. My grandma's gonna be over there. Okay, so this is how the experiment works. So we get a little bit of baking soda. Like that. I should have added that first. I'm just gonna. I feel like it would have been better.
Do you know what goes first?
I don't know. So you'll shake it up a little. Watch out for the strong smell. You'll add some vinegar. Oh, this is the one that we're using. You can use any type of vinegar, but we're using this one. It's so strong. Then we'll get your baking soda. And I don't even know if I got these ingredients. I'm just going to try this out. I don't even know if it's an experiment. Whoa.
Whoa.
It's going to explode. You guys can add food dye, but we don't have any. That was cool! Yeah. We can add a little bit more baking soda because we have another whole jug of this, but no, leave it there, leave it there.
There?
What? Moss? Oh, no. Oh, then we'll add.
Maybe the container's too big.
Whoa! Volcano erupt! Whoa! It kind of looks like Sprite.
It does.
But guys, it's not edible.
Take a little drink of your Sprite.
I don't even like soda. I feel like it's too bubbly. That was cool, guys. Come back for part 2 to see me do some more experiments, or day 2. And yeah, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.